Hey folks, how's it going? What do we have? We have the 24-inch half-inch drive flex head with a detent ball, 6 positions, I believe it is. Kobalt. You didn't expect that one, did you? Kobalt ratchet. Right the back. What do I feel? I like how it fits in the hand. My fingers lock into it really good right there. It has the octagon, shape to it, so it fits right in your creases nice. So it does feel good. Head's tight. You can tighten the head if you need to, which over time they will loosen up. Socket's not horrible. This is a snap-on. This socket's definitely longer, about 3/4 to an inch. So it's not horrible. This is $80, folks. This snap-on is $150. Okay, well, let's compare it to apples. Here is the Pittsburgh Pro. I made this ratchet over a year ago. I still use it all the time. I love this ratchet. Size difference. The custom built Pittsburgh Pro is 2 inches longer. The Kobalt has the push button, which is awesome. Nothing worse than having greasy hands and trying to get the socket off. Head size, thickness. The Kobalt is about the same. Yep, Kobalt's right about the same thickness as the Pittsburgh, but the Pittsburgh definitely makes it a lot bigger in width. What do we got here? We're just grabbing ratchets now. Here's the Icon Slimline. Not a huge difference there. So I kind of like the feel of it. I have not used it, so I couldn't tell you how it's going to be operational. This is a lot thinner than what I call Godzilla. Godzilla is a big, thick, heavy-duty bar. You can literally see the Kobalt disappears. Weight difference, night and day. This one's probably 2 pounds lighter, maybe 3. I like how the recess button is down in it. So is this one. And you see this one head's still tight. There's no movement in the head yet. I did tighten it up once though. This is not bad. It fits the fastener okay. And I'm not saying it is the best thing to be, because by all means it's not. It's probably about the same as my custom Pittsburgh Pro. Pittsburgh Pro has a lot of miles on it. And I mean, you can see the marks on this thing. Yeah, this is going to be really nice to get in tight spots. You need a big socket on it. Put some pressure down on it and pull on it. Model number here is 81745.
There's another number underneath it, 11-24. I will find a link for this. I was going to get the icon, but the icon's the lock and flex head, and I don't know if it fully locks all the time or not. I just don't like lock and flex heads. That's why I don't own any. I'm a huge flex head person. All the ratchets I grab on daily, it's going to be a flex head. But as soon as you put the lock on it, it defeats the purpose. I don't mind the detent ball because I can still press it with my hand. You know, if I got down the hole, give it a little like that to hold it. And sometimes that detent ball is nice to get in that little position that you need. You know, without the head moving, because sometimes they do loosen up. Like I said, is it worth $80? I think so. It's lifetime warranted. If it breaks, it breaks. We return it. I do like the release. It's 92. I may put a little oil in this to see how it goes. That's the Pittsburgh Pro. Back drag difference. The Pittsburgh Pro definitely has less back drag. But again, we are well broken in the Pittsburgh Pro. It's not a horrible back drag. It's more than the 1/4 inch icon. Yeah, I'm going to say it's about same as a Snap-on. There you go, folks. I will be using this thing for a while. We're going to put the Pittsburgh Pro to the side for a little bit. We're going to be yanking on this Kobalt. There will be a link for it down in the description. And we'll jam on it and see how it works. Later, folks.